Don't you want me like I want you, baby? That's such a nice hook. Da 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 la la la. And of course, how have you been? 잘 지냈어요? It smells like Jiro's perfume. I hate it so much. Tap eh. Hello, hello, hello. Love me that. Brazil, hello. Congratulations. Ano daw, Die With A Smile mo daw, pero ako yung kakanta nung bridge. Go. Itaas mo na yung bar mo. Huh? Ano yun? Ano yun? Honey? Okay. Okay. Saan part mo gusto?
Dito na.
Okay. 5. Hey, hey, hey. 5, 6. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Wow.
If...
Tapos?
Ilan pa? Na-redeem niya na yung sarili niya. Hindi na siya nawala sa balance. That was it. Para lang makabawi daw siya sa kanya. Pero na ano mo naman naagapan mo? Hindi ka naman nadulas talaga na, at least hindi ka na...
Natabang nga ako eh. Parang nawala naman ng gana.
Patapos na Patapos na nag-perform ka na eh. Nagawa niya na. Full po. Ay grabe, ang taas po masyado ng Die With A Smile. It's so hard. Bitin. If you watch our concert last week, you'll see the full there. Time travel just sa'yo. Hi! Kayo, kumain na kayo? Did you guys eat? Pamagusto? Yeah, I love doing How You Feel. That was something new. I actually was the one who brought it up to our coach and to the directors to be like, we should perform How You Feel but 7-member version. And yeah, it was so fun doing the whole thing, from the recording, and like learning the choreo was so hard though for How You Feel. Parang it was the top choreo that I was really having a hard time memorizing. Kasi medyo in my head I am a muscle memory person. That's how I memorize, with muscle memory. And a lot of the steps look and feel similar to the body. Kaya nalilito ako parang, ay, ito na pala. Tapos, ay, yun na pala. So yeah, it was confusing, but we got through it. Any TMI from the concert? TMI? Well, a lot.
Yung sa sa mama, yung inubad natin.
Oh yeah, napaaga yung hubad namin for the where is this? From the... Ano ngayon? Kasi yung sa script...
Akala natin may...
Oo, kasi nakalagay sa script, remove daw yung jacket. Tapos nalito kami na parang, remove na yung jacket agad. Pero napaaga yung nakalagay na remove jacket. Dapat talaga, after nun, kami magre-remove ng jacket. Diba? Dapat talaga yun. Pero ang nangyari, after namin mag-spelling bee, tinanggal na namin kasi yun nakita namin sa script. So yeah, we were kind of confused. We were like, are we gonna sing Mama and Salamat without the jackets? I mean, that wouldn't be the thing that's gonna happen. So for sure, the next song is Meteor. But yeah, we got confused. So funny. Christmas wish?
Makauwi. Wow.
Makauwi Pilipinas and spend time with family and yeah, vacay in the Philippines. Gusto mo Palawan? Ikaw Boracay? Sana all. Pero galing ka na Boracay, di ba? Hindi pa ako galing. How many times did you go to Boracay?
Isa pa nga lang eh.
Yung
Pero
picture
gusto
mo,
ko-
yung picture mong ano ka, hubante. Topless sa beach. Yun na yun.
Bilis pa ng picture na yun kasi dati takot talaga ako. Hinubad ko yung t-shirt ko tapos picture lang ako.
Natikman nyo ba ang ramen from Japan? Ikaw, di ba? Hindi ko pa na-try. Ikaw, na-try mo, di ba? Di ba?
Sarap. Thank you po.
Hindi ko pa na-try. Makita ko lang personal. Yung cold. You're so cold. I've never been to Palawan, but I want to. I have been, but I want to go back. Sabihin nyo, hope to see you on the next comeback. Yes, hope to see you soon too. May PCD pa rin ako. Do you know PCD? PCD means post-concert depression, I think. And it means pag after na concert, feeling nila malungkot sila. So yun ang nararamdaman ng ating anchors.
Ako din.
Kasi tagal mo din nag-prepare, no? Tagal mo din for... Ikaw, siya yung feeling ko pinakamadaming na-practice and prepare for the solo. Kasi nga, ginawa mo yung choreo and everything. Tapos... Pero yung pinakita mo sa concert, that was the... Kumbaga, pang ilang version na yun nung sayaw.
Pang ilang version?
Like parang binago-bago ba yung choreo or like yun na talaga nung ginawa mo yun na agad?
Pabago-bago.
Pabago-bago din.
Bali mga 4 times na bago. Actually, ano talaga, golden hour.
Yung ano, yeah.
Tapos nung pinapakinggan ko yung Die With A Smile, parang
Na-inspire ka.
sinisipa ako ng beat, parang tinatawag.
Kaya yung...
Ayan,
Kaya
literal na sipa.
yun yung na ano mo. That was your gut feel. That was yung feeling.
Tinatawag ako ng mga beat.
Tinatawag ka ni Bruno Mars at ni Lady Gaga. Sabi nila, sayawin mo to. Paalam nyo ko sa mama ko. Favorite part of the concert? I love performing Cold. Because it was close to me, to my heart, because I did write the lyrics for it, so it was the first time for me to perform something that I wrote the lyrics for and everything, like almost the whole song, like 95% of it or 97% of it or something. So yeah, I think Cold is my favorite, and yeah, How about you?
Barko.
Hindi, anong favorite mo daw?
Barko nga.
Anong barko? Marami, hindi. Walang option. Lahat.
Saan?
Sa buong concert, ano daw yung favorite part mo? Anong both?
Kala ko yung cold tsaka ano.
Hindi. Ang naispili ko lang Cold kasi gusto ko yung Cold eh. Favorite ko nga yun eh. What's your favorite part?
Ay, syempre. dahil-
There was a smile. Hindi ko napanood eh. Nung sa concert.
Hindi ko rin napanood.
Kanino lang
Same tayo.
Sa
Ba't mo mapapanood?
Sa bagay. Napanood ko yung kay Marcus, yung Rainism.
Ay, oo nga no. Ang bilis din kasi ng change outfit.
Yeah. Yun talaga yung pinaka-hectic sa mga performances. Na kung feeling ko nakakatawa if kita nila yung nangyayari sa Sa dami ito, no? Lalo na nung voyage to Manila. Guys, that was, oh my gosh, that was so stressful. Voyage to Manila. Our first concert when we had to change outfits that fast. If may camera, tapos nakikita nyo sa LCD yung ano, yung nangyayari, like, makikita nyo, like, naguhubad na lang talaga. Binabato-bato na kung saan-saan. Like,
Nagtutulungan na lahat.
yeah, everyone was, like, parang, kahit dalawa lang talaga.
Kahit hairstylist.
Oo, dalawa lang talaga yung stylist for damit, 'di ba? Or tatlo something. Pero lahat nagsinusuot yung belt, sinusuot
Kahit
yung
makeup
jacket.
artist.
Tapos nakakaano din nakakakaba kasi baka mamaya lumabas ka tapos kunyari nakalimutan pala yung ganung part. Oo, yun lang di mo alam. Oh, yung zipper din like kaya pag after na parang tingin ako parang okay naman din. Because it was rushed. That is the hardest part. But then, meron din akong ganung moment nung Dreammaker, nung finale.
Oo nga eh.
Diba? Tayong dalawa. Ikaw din naman.
Ikaw yun, yung
Ako.
super...
Oo, grabe.
Yung super dami.
Tapos nagpa-crop top ako. Ang dami. Yun yung pinaka-stressful talaga sa mga
Pero
performances.
Dreammaker pa rin yung pinamahirap.
Na change outfit? For me. Kasi din bibirit pa ako dun ng, ng Amazon. Yung wow, wow, wow. Alam mo yung pagkabirit mo, wow, wow, wow. Tapos bigla magpapalit ka pa ang damit. It was hectic as hell. Fave ko, solo niyong dalawa. Thank you po. So glad you had a great concert. For sure we will watch your next concert. Thank you po. Thank you so much for supporting Day Tour Anchor High. It was so fun to prepare the whole show for you guys and see so much energy on that day. It was. Thank you. So fun. I wish we could do it more than just once, but that's it for now. And the next time we'll have another special day to have some fun. And we have JBL on December 14. JBL Soundfest. So please, if you miss us and want to see Horizon perform more, we will perform there. See you there, Christmas era. Hindi pa Christmas. Kasi December 14 yun, from what I know. Can't wait for JBL Fest. Yay! Yes, be excited. Oh yeah, we have Chan too. 맞아. See you there. See you virtually. The other members are eating.
Hindi ka pa kumain. No?
Di pa. Pero di pa din ako gutom eh. Because our manager got us snacks from Japan. So that's what I ate for now. Mali din yung hansay. Mali yung hansay natin parehas. Because we, Horizon. Tapos parang ginawa ko, NCT na ata yung ginawa ko. Or like the boys too eh. But I was like doing this, I think. I feel like I was doing this, or like, I don't even know. Like, bro, you're not NCT. Or like the boys. I love those groups, but I'm not them. So yeah, paano ba? Ikaw yung gumawa eh. Ganito.
Baliktad, magmi-mirror.
Ah.
Ito yung 7.
Cause we are the Horizon.
Eh, pero ginanon yun, di ba?
TMI for Pack Your Bag. Hindi mo natanda.
Natanda.
Nakakatawa siya nung yung mga mukha mo nung nasa sauna tayo. Kasi kakagising lang talaga nun. Tapos siya, defeated. Talong-talong siya. Tapos si Kim nun din, parang lumulutang pa. Kasi kakagising lang. Ang saya nung Pack Your Bag kasi hindi naman kami lagi nakakapag gala here. So,
Enjoy.
gusto ko pa nga eh. If we could do more, that would be awesome. Can you message them? Ask them to... Yeah, the PD name was so nice. Oh! We do have! Meron kami. Pero for the next pa to ayoko muna pang spoil. Meron akong TMI, super lala ng TMI. Pero basically what happened was, yung cellphone ni PD Nim, nahulog siya sa tubig. So may tubig. And low-key gawa siya ng isang member. hindi naman gawa niya. Pero feeling ko wala to sa episode cuts. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya kasali. Tinuturuan ni PD Nim, ni Kamdok Nim pala, si member na to, kung paano magganon. Habang tinuturo niya, nag-slip yung from Chumoni, from bucket, his hudipon, chang, it got out of his pocket. And it went straight to the water body. I'm not even sure if it's a lake or like a river. I'm not sure with water bodies. I'm not good. So nahulog yung phone niya, but the staff in the staff got it and swam down sa tubig, tapos kinuha yung phone. Takot na takot kami kasi mukha siyang stress na stress. Not because of the phone, but because of his cards. Because he had like a card holder attached to his phone. So sabi niya, Hudipon, 괜찮아. Kundi my cards, my ADM, my credit cards and everything, it was there. So yeah, scary. But we got it. Yeah, watch the remaining episodes of Pack Your Bag that we did with KoreaNet. It was so fun. We also did, me and Marcus, we did a podcast with Laudi. That's also so fun too. We talked so much. And yeah, Laudi's just so cool, so nice, so kind. It was very fun to talk to, and we talked for like, I think the whole episode is 2 hours. For sure, hindi mo pa nakapanood, no? Hindi mo. No watch.
Natatawa mo, ikaw rin nagsasalita.
Kaya nga wala ka bang input, pre?
Hindi ako
Because I'm also trying to speak English for
Hindi ako
like
si
the
DJ
international fans.
I'm not DJ Sam.
You're not DJ Sam. It's fine. DJ Sam can. I'm going to meet with DJ Sam tomorrow and Shreya. Yes, on radio. Nakalimutan ko talaga kung anong oras 9 p.m. sa Korea. So 8 p.m. sa Philippines. Yeah, watch out for my radio. Guess then.
Ilang taon ka na daw, Vinci?
I am. Sige, sabihin ko yung age mo, sabihin mo yung age ko.
Okay. 39. Yun yung real age na. Joke. Wait.
Hindi, sabihin mo ikaw. Kasi ayoko ma-screen record ako tapos sinasabi ko yung age ko
Okay. Ako si Vinci and I'm 23? Tama?
Thank you.
24?
Oh. Ako si Racer and I'm 21. 20?
Hindi ko rin tanda.
2003 ka. Di mo magaling sa 21. Tama, di ba? Can you spell magnetic? Charismatic? Naka-screen record nga. Hajima! Cherish my love. Cherish my love. Takot ka sumigaw sa zipline. No, I didn't do the zipline. Oh yeah! Yun yung isang TMI. Hindi ako nag-zipline. If may curious man. If I did the zipline, I didn't do the zipline.
Siya nag-zipline.
Yeah.
Nag-ano?
Diyan ka lang. Mas maganda yung lighting pag nandyan ka.
Bakit?
Ang lakas dito eh.
Cherish my love.
Hindi ako nag-zipline kasi masyadong nakakatakot. Tinanong kasi muna ako ni Kamdok Nim if I wanted to do the zipline. At first, I was like, should I just do it for the content? But, ano yung yung tubig.
Oh. Galing.
Kaya nga parang...
Parang ringtone.
Yeah, so I didn't do the zip line. It was too scary. Yeah. Anong advice sa mga sasali sa Be the Next 99 Dreamers? Be passionate, just keep on wanting to show your talent. Because at the end of the day, that's what matters the most. Your skill or your talent or what you want to show, keep wanting to show it to people. Cherish my love. Kinanta mo kasi, wala na akong kinanta ko dito. Cherish my love.
Wala na nga din ang matype eh.
Can you spell magnetic?
Okay, I'll try.
Wow, charanda. Ay, meron tayong pinapractice na duet. Gusto ba? Sige, may nagsabi, Vinster duet. Oh, do you wanna show them?
I'll go.
Acapella muna, ganun. Lyrics, ilabas mo lyrics. Acapella. Ayaw mo? Next time na?
Next time na lang.
Pagod na siya, kanina pa siya kumakanta.
Next time. Uy, kayo yun ni Winston.
Oo nga. Hindi ka ba kumanta kanina?
Hindi.
After no class. Ano natutunan mo ngayon sa class?
Sabi, mamamatay na ako. May Korean class na naman.
Natutunan ko, kanshik. Kanshik. It's like merienda. Yun, alam mo na yun, kanshik.
Kanshi.
G8, parang ito.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Mag-review na lang later.
Please, please, please. Kainis toto. Ayaw pa eh. Korean class, yeah. Love song. Hello sa Germany. Kanino kaya to? Sa ito?
Ba't ganon? Sa isip ko, feeling ko ganito ako magsalita. Oo. Tapos, pag sinabi ko, ganon lagi. Nakakainis.
Lagi ka naman
Tapos,
ganun.
sa isip ko talaga, halimbawa, dun sa, pack your bag. Di ba tumikim tayo nun? No,
Oo,
Tapos
oo.
sabi ko, wow. Pero sa isip ko talaga, yun?
Malaki na yung
Wow!
Sabi ko sa'yo, kaya nga talaga sasabi, wow, ang ganda naman ng reaction mo. Baka mainis yung nagbenta sa akin. Kaya ayun lang.
Ba't ganon? Pero minsan pag nasa super happy mood ako, lumalabas talaga.
Lumalabas talaga yung, wow!
Pero every time pag ganon ako mag-react, as in wow talaga, pero ganon yung lumalabas sa bibig ko. Wow!
As in parehas na tunog.
Wow.
Parang yung meme. Wow. I-full out mo daw kasi. I-all out mo daw kasi.
Oo.
Dapat kasi malaki yung bibig katulad ko. Wow!
Wow!
Hindi, mahirap yun. Baka kailangan mo na mag-explore ng ibang words. Katulad ni Winston, amazing.
Amazing.
Favorite niya, amazing. Oh, a good challenge using sound frame. Oh, I wanna do that.
Glue challenge.
Cute. Balik ulit kayo sa Cebu. Yeah, I miss Cebu. I miss Cebu.
Me too. Me too.
Try mo daw mag-practice sa salamin na naggumagawa ng expression. O go, sabihin mo yung wow with expression sa salamin.
Wow!
Yan, ganyan na. Pero ikaw kasi gato, wow.
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 Wow. Wow.
Are you back in Korea? We are back in Korea. It's very cold. It's like, what's the weather like? I don't even know. Pinention nyo kasi salamin eh.
May pag-asa nga ba? Nagkaan ko'y mapapigyan. Magical mirror, what should I do? Why is my heart left hanging?
Hello, na-miss ko na to.
Mirror, mirror.
Oh! Iconic. Totoo ba?
Yung ano na to. Sa tabi. Act like an angel, dress like crazy. Ano yan? Ano yun? Ah, love me daw.
Inside here.
Yo. Ay. Winston. Try natin. Kasi hindi ko apisado. Yeah, may echo.
All the girls are girling, all the girls are girling. This is not mine, this is Raster's. Tingnan natin ang kanyang.
Baliktad.
It's Christmas. Ay.
Yung time. Dalawa yung time.
Wow, local and home. Celebrate Christmas. Celebrate Christmas. It's the happiest month to be. Perfect for all for me. Watch out our Christmas campaign with SM Supermalls. It's gonna be out soon. I feel like not really sure. Don't really know. But we will see. Because Sir Ma'am, ito na po ang flip. Pwede po siyang maging bahay. Pwede po siyang maging letter V. Pwede po siyang maging chopping board.
Wow! Ayun. Totoo na. Real.
Miss Puta! Real na real!
Oh, look at makne. Garang. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Everybody clapping high and low.
Ito siyang...
This is You Make Me So Baby by ICX. Not mine. This is Marcus's. Nagugutom na ba ako?
Mukhang gutom ka.
What should we eat?
Wala ka naman.
Kaya nga, wala na ako. Naglalagay ako dito. Nagugutom na ako. Ano bang, magbigay nga kayo ng ano, ng, kakain. Hold on, magiging whiplash. Hindi ko sinira.
Lagot. Bago ka mag-leave. Kanta mo na ng leaves. Wow! Tama na ba to? Wow! ikaw sa second verse.
Okay. May laman yan?
Ay, wala.
Oh.
Grabe, feel ko gutom ka na.
Hindi ko nga alam ano kainin.
Comment down below.
Comment down below and I will leave and eat.
Eat. Someone under
티라미수 케이크? 스파니시 브레드 먹었어. Are cold noodles weird to eat? No, 네. 비빔냉면 너무 맛있다.
Yes.
맛있.
Yes.
맛있다. Very yummy. It's good when you are hot. What? Ramen? Noodles? I already ate noodles yesterday. I don't even know. I think I want sandwich. Uwi na din ba ako?
Yung live na to, tulungan siya makapili ng pagkain.
Yeah. I will find. So now, bye-bye.
Bye!
Ay, hello. Battery.
Bye!
What's this? Ay, ang cool na filter mo.
Wow!
무서워. Gawin mo yung ano, yung oo. I just wanna be part of your symphony. If you hold me tight and just let go. Yeah. If you hold me tight and don't let go. Bring me. Bring me that? Ano?
Dalhin mo ako.
Anong ginagawa ko?
Higitin mo ako. Higitin mo.
Kumain ka na. Di ka kumain. Pag ikaw di kumain, bakit ka sa akin? Kumain ka. Kain. Inin ko na yun.
Ay! Huwag ka kumain! Di mo isip!
Ako nga pala, si. Ang pangalan ko ay si. Ako ay si. Ako ay si. Gusto ka pala may pangalan ko? Ha? Ako ay si. Bakit ang pagkasabi ko? Dahil ang gusto. Dahil. Galit ka rin? Bakit ang masap mo? Nangiyak ka.
Anong ginagawa mo? Babaliw na tayong dalawa. Nababaliw na. Bumalik na ako. Bumalik na ako. Ako lang.
Happy Halloween! Ganun nga po pala masabi.